Good morning, students. Today we will do the session 6 of digital presentation. As a practical we will do. So here we will see how to insert and format images in a presentation. Okay, formatting and inserting images though you have done also in Microsoft PowerPoint. Here we will see in LibreOffice Impress how will you insert the image, and also you can format the image here in a presentation. Formatting means what? Formatting means you can change the like size, position, so then direction, these things you can do in image. Okay, so first we will see how we will improve the overall presentation of content. So for that, to make a presentation more informative, communicative, attractive, or to draw the attention of the audience, we insert the images. So how will you insert the image? Suppose that image is in your file. First you have to start the Microsoft Impress. Microsoft no, LibreOffice Impress. So for that, first you have to click on the start button. Okay. You will see in all programs LibreOffice. So if it is there in your if you have downloaded in your computer, then you will get the LibreOffice. Here you will get LibreOffice 7 is there. This one is the LibreOffice 7. Now you have to click on this LibreOffice Impress. So just fraction of second you have to wait, then it will come, and then we will see how to insert the image. Okay, so to insert the image, first you have to click on the insert image from a file. Okay, so let's start the LibreOffice Impress, then we will see. Yes, it has come. Okay, now any template also you can use from here. So I am cancelling it and go to the insert. Here you can see the image, right? Image. So you have to select in this insert button and then image option from the drop down menu. So these images are already there. If you have done any paint in your computer, you have saved any paint, then also you can open wherever you have saved. Now anyone you select, suppose this one I am selecting, anyone you can select and then click on the open option, right? So you can see this image has been opened in LibreOffice Impress window. Or you can insert image from the gallery also, like there in Microsoft PowerPoint also you have done that gallery, so that also you can do. So for that, first you have to click on the insert, suppose insert, then media. So here you can see the media. Okay, so click on that. Here you see the gallery, photo album, scan. So from photo album also you can insert the picture if there is a picture, any picture is there, and gallery, and you will select the gallery. Right side you can see different galleries are there, arrows, BP min, bullet, diagram, flowchart. So all those things are here, so you can select any one. Okay, so only this much is here. Diagrams are this, arrows you have seen that, icons, different icons are there, flowcharts. So anything which one you want to, these are the different diagrams. So which one you want to do, new themes, like this one is new theme. Okay, so I'm cancelling it. Suppose you want to add any, here you can see BP min. So these are different shapes. So suppose you want to insert any shape, so select that and select first the image and then right click and then click on the insert, first option you can see. So just click over there. Okay, so then it will be inserted over here. You can see this one, so already added in your window, in your slide. So this is the way how will you insert the images from the gallery or from the photo album or from the from your computer. Okay, if there is any picture, so that you can insert. Now second thing, we will see how to format the image. I am deleting this one. Do you want to delete? Yes. Okay, I have deleted. Okay, so this image has been deleted. Now formatting image. Suppose this image is, you want to format. Formatting means, just now I have told you, you can change the position, you can change the size and direction of the image through this formatting. So if you want to move the image, then what you will do, select the image, then you can see this rectangle shapes has come. Okay, so you have to drag, resize means you have to drag over on the mouse. Okay, so in this way you have to resize. How will you do that? First you have to click and select the image, and then here when you will click on that, you will bring your mouse on this image. Here you can see, so here you can increase the size. Okay, from any side you can do, like here from corner, when this double-headed arrow will come. Okay, so in this way you can change the size. From any side you can do. And this is for only the width, this is for length, and if you want to do proportionally, you want to delete, crop the image, then this one. Okay, so this is the way how will you resize the image, change the size of the image. Okay, now if you want to change the direction of an image, then again you have to select that image. First you have to select the image and then you have to click on this icon. Which one? You can see that this is the new, open, save. I think all of you know these things. This is for print, cut, copy, paste. This one is clone formatting, undo, then redo. So different icons you can see over here, right? But you have to click on the rotate icon. So this one is rotate icon. So first you have to select the image, then click on this rotate icon from the standard toolbar. Okay, now this thing, come to the corner, this, when this type of shape, like rotate, this one is rotate icon. So all of you can see this type of, if this double-headed arrow will come, then it will not move, rotate. When this shape will come, then you can rotate like this. I think all of you can see. So in this way you can change the direction, you can rotate the picture. Okay, in which position, just I am dragging the mouse. Okay, so first you have to select the image, then come to the corner, any corner you can come, and when this shape will come, then you can rotate you can change the direction of the image. Okay, so just you have to drag the mouse, and which position you want, which direction you want, move that, and then release the mouse. So this is the way how will you rotate your picture. I think it's clear. Now next thing is, how will you format the image using toolbar? How will you format the image using toolbar? For that you can see right side of your screen of the slide, this one. Just wait. So here image toolbar, if it is by default, if it is not available, then you can do like this. First you have to go to the view. Here you can see view and their toolbars, and then image. Okay, because it is not selected, that's why it's not coming. So in standard toolbar, so if it is not coming by default, if it is not coming in standard toolbar, then you have to click from the first you have to select the view and then toolbars, view, toolbars here, and then you have to click on the image. So here you can see that image options have come, like shadow, then crop image, filter, then this is the position and size. Okay, you can move the slide, or you can change the size of the slides. And next thing, if you want to do that properties window, then also you can get from this side, right side of your slide, right side of the slide you will get it here. This one is for properties, so just click over there. So properties window, you can get that. This is called properties window or properties panel. That is the right side of the window. Right side of the window you can get this properties panel or properties window. Here you can see character, paragraph, and all this brightness. Also you can increase or decrease of the image. You can increase the contrast also, color mode, then line size, different styles are there, different you can see here line properties. Okay, so I am closing it, position and size. So all these things you can do from here. It's okay. I think all of you understood this. So you can format your image by using toolbar also. Is it clear? How will you do? From the, if it is by default, if it is there, then it's okay. Then properties, from the properties panel, all those things you will get. If drawing in standard toolbar, if it is not there, then you have to select from the view. Okay, view tab from the menu bar, you have to click on that view tab, and then there you will get the toolbars option, and then you have to select the image. So then you can see that this thing, all image options will be in on standard toolbar. Now we will see the drawing object. Suppose you want to insert different shapes, so that also you can do. Here you can see the different shapes, right? So these are the different shapes. If it is not available, like here symbol shapes, flow chart, okay, so callouts, stars, banners, 3D objects. So if you will get it in standard toolbar, then it's okay. If it is not there, then again you have to click on the view and then toolbars here, and then drawing toolbar, because it is selected already. That's why it's coming on standard toolbar. If it is not selected, then you have to select that. Okay, so in this way you can select this drawing toolbar and you can insert the different shapes, smiles, and different bullets. So these things you can insert. Okay, now grouping and ungrouping object. Grouping means, suppose you want to group different objects, if you want to group, or you can say if you want to tie together the different objects, then you can do through the grouping option. So grouping means what? Grouping means tie together to different objects. That is called grouping object. Now how will you do that? For that, first you have to create the images, and then just press the shift key and select all the objects which you want to group, or you just press the CTRL plus A. If you will press the CTRL A, then all the objects will be selected. Okay, so many types of drawing shapes and images can be inserted in a single slide, and then if you want to format more than one object on a slide in the same manner, then it would be take a lot of time. So for that, to save the time, to save the effort, you can tie together these different objects, and that is called grouping object. So okay, so suppose this one is the grouping one image. Now this one like this, your image, one image is here. Now suppose you are inserting any shape. So here you can see different shapes are there. Flow chart, this is call out, stars. Here you can see the properties box. Different layouts are here that we have seen earlier in previous classes. So in theory, so there are layout, different layout, like this one is blank slide, title slide, this is title and content slide, this is title and two columns, this is only title, this one is title will text will come at the center, this one is title, two content and this content. So total 3 contents are over here, and here title, content and 2 contents. This one is title, 2 content and over content. So title, 2 contents and 1 content is more there, but these 2 contents are over content. This one you can see 2 contents, title and content over content. Okay, so there are different layouts are here. So anyone which you want to add, that you can do. Okay, so if you select any shape, then that shape will suppose this one is the 3D object. Now suppose this one you have selected, and you suppose any other shape, if you have select this one, then also you can do this. Similarly, if you want to star or banner, so that also you can do. Now these are the different shapes and image, right? Now if you want to group this object, then what you will do, one way, just you press the CTRL and A. So all the slides will be selected, all the means complete slide is selected, this image, this one, all things will be selected, right? Again I am telling, if you will press CTRL and A, then you can see that is complete slide is selected. That means all the images and pictures or shapes, whatever you have done in a slide, all things will be selected. Or you can do from the edit menu, and you can see over here select all. Then also suppose I am selecting only this one, and now go to the edit menu and select all. Okay, so this will be selected. Okay, I think it's clear. So how will you do that? First you have to go to the edit menu and click on the select all, then all the images will be, all the image or pictures means will be selected. So this is called grouping of object, and ungrouping also you can do. That is through the ungrouping means you want to separate the objects. So for that you have to group sub menu, and same way from format button, here you can see text, spacing, styles, character, paragraph, objects and shape. There are different things are there, different options are here. Okay, so you have to select the group option. Last one you can see over here. So you just have to click on this arrow. So group, ungroup, all these are here. So group, you, this function cannot be run without the selected object, so you have to select the object first. And then format. Here these things are arranged. You can arrange the all the images, you can arrange, bring forward, send backward, so all these things you can bring to front. So these things you can do. Okay, and from grouping you can see the ungroup, CTRL Alt Shift G, that also, that is the shortcut key. And if you will press any image, CTRL plus Shift plus G, CTRL Shift, CTRL Shift plus G, then also you can select all the images. So that is called grouping and ungrouping. Now checkpoint you will try to do yourself, and other previous sessions also you try to do. Next session we will do on the next class. Okay, that's all for today's friends. Thank you.